60 seconds with Fami correct Pidgin now what they do. And yesterday for inside English Premier League and Copa del Rey for Spain, everywhere I go for inside England there, the people who score go past now Liverpool and Arsenal they just the score like saying that they carry the other team from Harscombe Stadium. But right now for inside English Premier League, the battle on the strong for who go there first, second, third and fourth. For first and second, Manchester City and Liverpool they are two they pursue themselves. Who go win league? Then for third, fourth. It don't they hard for that side. It don't they hard because when you look Tottenham, when you look Manchester United, Chelsea, Arsenal, who go there third and fourth, who go qualify for Champions League? That one self don't they hard. I don't know who you think say go qualify for that one. You believe say your club, then go qualify for that one. Therefore, inside Spain, Copa del Rey where they play yesterday, many people don't talk say as Cristiano Ronaldo they come out for Real Madrid, they carry the crown where they on top their logo waka with them. Barcelona just calm down for inside Santiago Bernabeu, beat Real Madrid 3-0. I don't know what you make of this one. This Real Madrid side, people talk say their own don't finish for life. How Real Madrid want to do?